Here we've got a 2018 XBT Transit. This one is the H3L2, full workshop in the back. Comes with 33,000 miles on the clock. Full backup service history, with a cambelt being done at 25,000 and full clutch kit including flywheel. This one comes with the rear step on, the parking sensors. Also comes with security locks, microwave to the rear. Comes with 2 seats in the front, both heated. Interior is in very good condition. You can see both heated seats. This will come with our standard 3 months warranty. We also offer great finance offers. Feel free to drop us a message or give us a call if you're interested in this van. As you can see, nice and clean and ready to go.